Hello everyone, today's menu will be creamy Fiesta Skillet. It is the perfect Mexican comfort foods and it's so delicious. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is cut the tortillas up into bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to cut them straight down the middle. And then onto the edge. And then the other edge. Okay. And then I'm just going to go straight down the middle again. Okay, and then if you want, you could just leave them like this. This is about 2 inches. But I'm gonna go a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. About 1 inch right here. Okay. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is work with the onion. And then I'm just going to cut this onion into smaller pieces also. And then as always, you can use whichever onion you prefer. I love onions, but I hate cutting into them. It makes me tear up. In my large cast iron, I'm going to add in ground beef. And then I'm just going to break it up a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to toss in the onions. And then just going to stir it up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm just gonna let this cook until it's golden brown. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes and I'm going to remove the excess oil. The same skillet, I'm going to add in some water, some sour cream, and then some picante, and then the tomato soup, then I'm just going to give it a quick mix, combine. And then we're going to add in the tortillas. Then you just want to mix it. Get it all nice and coated. And then you'll want to bring this to a boil. It's starting to bubble. And then I'm going to give it a quick stir. Okay. And then I'm going to lower the temperature. And then we're going to cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to add in the meat mixture. And then you just want to mix it to combine. Okay, just gonna smooth it down a little bit. And then we're going to sprinkle on some cheese. And these are just the pre-shredded one. You can go ahead and shred your own cheese. Okay, and then we're going to turn off the heat. And then we're going to cover it for about 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay. I do have some sour cream right on top, but I'm gonna try it without first. Ooh, look at that, so cheesy. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good, you guys. Mmm. Okay. Let's go in for some sour cream. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. 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 You guys, that was like so delicious, full of flavors. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, the measurements will be in the description box down below. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Mm.